Must be Detective Corrigan. My name's Marston.
Marston, I know. I've heard your file. I'm going to be keeping an eye on this case.
Why?
Why? Aggressive, hot-headed. I don't need that on my team.
I have my place here. So, what do we have?
White male, mid-20s. Found dead a couple of days ago. What's up?
I've seen this symbol before. I can't quite think where.
I'm going to go talk to the victim's family, try and get some more information.
I'm gonna have a look over my father's old files, see if I can see this symbol anywhere.
No look for the victim's family. Is that it?
I knew I'd seen this symbol before. It's a case my father worked on 10 years ago, but it went cold just after he joined it.
Do you think it's a copycat killer?
Well, records show the symbol was never actually released to the media.
Right. So walk me through the details.
Firstly, the unsub was dubbed by the media as the Elephant Man.
How come?
Because the only eyewitness account expressed a strange figure running away and in, I quote, a fucking disturbing elephant-looking mask.
What else?
Over the course of a few days, there were 3 victims. First, 53-year-old Graham Ellis, retired burger van owner. Second, a 30-year-old male, only identified as Adam Wright through his dental records, as you can see. And the third victim was 24-year-old Alicia Selby. She worked as a nurse, brutally drowned, as you can see.
So what connects the victims?
That's the problem. The only reason they could connect the crimes was because the unsub left this symbol at each crime scene.
They must be connected somehow. Hopefully, this time they'll make a mistake. Show me that file again.
See this here?
Wait, see how they're there?
Yeah.
I think next one.
Everyone's guess.
Hello? Yeah. Alright. Thank you. The victim. Noticed?
Yeah.
All line up from the last time.
No, they did.
What does the old case file say about the symbol?
Well, this is the problem. Literally nothing.
Do you know what? I think we should talk to the detective in your case. What's his name?
His name was Wade Wilson, but unfortunately had a heart attack shortly after the second victim.
We'll have to speak to your father then. See what he learned when he was on your case.
We can't. My dad passed away last year.
Oh shit. Probably just blends into the background because of his ordinary appearance.
We need to determine how he's picking his victims, or at least what they have in common, then we can catch him before he's able to kill again. At this point, we can assume the next victim's going to be a female. And if the new victims are being killed at the old crime scenes, probably looking around here.
Yeah. The night patrol will be out tonight, so I'll get him to search that area for suspicious behaviour, but for now, mate, let's go. Nothing more we can do tonight, so. We can call it a day, but I'll make sure behind it the story.
What's the news?
He's not the elephant man.
What do you mean?
He knew nothing of the previous crimes. He didn't use any of the typical MOs of the elephant man. Our killer's still out there, and I think he's after a police officer. Even worse, I think he's after one of us.
Why do you think he's after a police officer?
Well, I've done some digging into the victim Alicia's death, and I discovered that she was Detective Wilson's daughter.
But that makes no sense. Surely we would have noticed that by now.
Well, we missed it because her parents divorced when she was young. She took her mother's name. Also, her father's name wasn't on the death certificate. But when she was 13, she broke her leg